You really don't have any idea what's going on out there, do you? Well, I shouldn't be surprised. Hindi na dapat ako masurpresa pa. But this time, this will be the last time. The last time na magbibigay ako ng warning o babala. This is not scaring you. But like, Father, I'm tired of hiding. Pagod na akong... Actually, I wanna be honest with you guys. Sa lahat ng mga naging babala ko noon pa, I have a small audience. But I appreciate them kasi God gave them to me. I'm just false witchcraft, your prince of darkness, diba sabi niyo? I'm the great big faith healer that you believe, na thanks to you, greatly appreciated. But this time guys, I'm serious na. I've never been more serious in my entire life. Kasi most of the time, I'm prepping. Usually, I'm prepping. Diba? Organizing my topic. But this time, there's no prepping. There's no script. Never was. Now I'm really scared. And I'm really, really concerned. Now, despite all of the warnings that I gave you, very small people have believed in me. It's okay kung maboring kayo. It's okay to be bored. You can scroll down. I'm optimistic. You know me as that, diba? Sarcasm is my thing. I'm always smiling. But this time, I'm really concerned. Because I can't sleep. This nightmare na meron ako, this is not a dream, this is a nightmare. And you know me, I'm just force prescribed. I ain't scared of nothing. But this is not me pursuing criminals. Hindi ako maglalagay na lang sa death note or sa black notebook ko namang criminal na kinabukasan mahuhuli na. This is not about me finding some missing person. Not just healing people, it's warning you people. So please, this time makinig kayo. I've been solving crimes left and right sa aking page. I've been telling the truth ever since, but this time I'm really worried. Yung mga sakit na meron kayo ngayon, trust me. I'm gonna go there in a later minute. Gusto ko lang kasi maglabas ng expression ko eh. A lot of this warning that I'm about to give you is not might people gonna die. It might kill people, not might, man. This will kill people. A lot of people will gonna die. So you're worrying about who's the next president, who's corrupting this, corrupting that, the flood control. You have no idea what's going on out there. Ingatan ninyo ang mga sarili ninyo. Because this time, wala nang implement dito ng announcement, pandemic. Kailangan wear your face mask. Wear your face shields. No more. It's not the end of time. Alright? Hindi ito paghukom. There's not gonna be a war. But it's us killing ourselves. This us killing each other. It's you people. Am I tired of... Yes. I will go to the extreme measures. Bibigyan ko kayo. Bibigyan ko kayo ng tunay na babala. At eto yun. Baka dito sa resort nyo na ako. I always dress well. sporting my bike with my shoe collection and my other beautiful bikes. Maybe why are you distracting? Am I distracting to you? Am I distracting with my Heliquide pants? Father, your God, has given me a lot of nightmares. And I see a lot of people will die if you don't listen to me. Kung hindi kayo makikinig sa akin, this is gonna be the most serious statement and warning, a fair warning for all of you to listen to me. I don't have a great audience. So if ever na meron kayo dyan na mas kilala, tag your vloggers. Tag your dark theorists. Yung mga conspiracy theories dyan, it's real. I'm proving that because I saw what's about to come this 2026. Napakadami pong taong mamamatay. Dito magsisimula yun. Yung sakit na sinasabi ko sa inyo, it's not an accident like COVID-19. It's not an accident like a COVID. It's a reset. A reset will come. Hindi nyo alam ibig sabihin nun, of course. Most of you don't read too much. Most of you don't read or don't know anything about history. All you do is scroll in your fucking belly all the time. Sitting on your couch, drinking out there, doing your thing, driving the most expensive cars or superbikes in the world, but you don't have no idea what's going on. Enjoy your life while you can. Lalabas ang mga sakit na hindi nyo naman ginusto at mga sakit na hindi nawala naman talaga kayo. A lot of disease, a lot of sickness. Because they're the ones who will do it. The ones who are supposed to heal you. Maraming tao po ang maghihirap dahil dito. They are flaunting. They are flaunting a new sickness. Marami sa inyo na magkakasakit na lang ng walang dahilan. Check up. They will tell you to go to therapy. And then the next day, they will tell na may cancer ka. And then habang may cancer ka, na ginagamot ka nila, after you spend a lot of shit tons of money, they will tell you that you're terminally ill. I'm sorry, we have done we could. Himala na lang makapagpagaling sa'yo. Maraming cases na mangyaring ganyan. Ang tagal ko ng babalayan. At hindi na po ito mistakenly lang. This is on purpose now. Kaya hindi man kayo naniniwala sa isang faith healer na kagaya ko. Napakadelikado kasi nitong ginawa kong to. Kasi syempre, magbababala ako. May mga magte-take credit na ibang manghuhula. May magte-take credit na ibang mga mas sikat sa akin or hindi man sikat, mas maraming followers sa akin. Ite-take credit nila, syempre. Ang habol nila, ganun. They knew what the greatest fool in the world. Sa akin ang galing to eh. Malamang ako lang ang makakapagpagaling sa inyo. Sa akin pinakita. Who am I to care about you? I'm Jesse Flores Witchcraft. I should say I'm done saving you. But no, I'm serious. Seryoso na po ako ngayon. I'm not kidding. January pa lang, hindi pa tapos. Pagtungtong ng Pebrado nyo malalaman. Tapos sa tingin ninyo, kinukompuse kayo ng TV, patayan dito, patayan dyan. Wala kayong alam. Hindi nyo alam yung totoong nangyayari. Ang dami nang namamatay ngayon. The MIG is diagnosed. Taas ang bilang ng mga nagka-cancer ngayon. Yung blood control na yan. Yung blood control na yan, dyan kayo nabubulag. to cover up the greatest to cover the greatest conspiracy theory. To cover up the most greatest, deadliest conspiracy theory is existing right now. That's the truth. That's my great announcement. Marami po ang magkakasakit at marami po ang mamamatay ngayon. You have to believe me. Hindi ko naman sinasabing, huwag tayo magpa-check up sa mga doktor, huwag tayo magpa-check up sa mga ganyan-ganyan. No, it's not what I meant. I'm telling you to be careful. Spread this message, all I ask. You don't have to believe me. But if you do, thank you very much. You're saved. But if you want to save other people, kaya pala despite nang meron ako sa buhay, it's coming, guys. 5 years niya akong prepare para rito. Kaya pala ever since noon, bago ko pa makilala yung asawa ko, akala ko nababaliw na ako. Ang daming mamatay. And this is the moment, this is the year. He's preparing me for something very, very big. And I'm damn well ready. I'm exposing every single one of them. I'm not afraid. Prince of Darkness, remember? I shouldn't care. I'm the son of the devil. Favorite ones. I shouldn't care, but I do. Because there's so greatness and still goodness in people. And your kind's worth saving. Kaya pala despite nang meron na ako sa buhay, I'm still here. Shit tons of cash. I got my bikes. I have a beautiful family. I got my collection of lahat ng kahit ano na meron ako. I live in a beautiful home. I should be spending my gifted cash sa mga, alam niyo na, magnegosyo, but I can't. I just can't. I can't leave you alone. Dito niya ako nilagay. He is preparing me. And I want you to believe in me. You don't have to believe kung anong status ko. Special ka pala. So you're the special little children of God. You're the supposed the Antichrist na nagbago. Ikaw pala yung nasa Biblia na sa malayong silangan, doon ang paraiso. Sa malayong silangan, di ba Pilipinas yun? Doon sisibol ang pangalawang katapak ng ating Savior. It's not about who I am. It's about me saving you people. You have to believe in me. Sa akin ang galing, nakita ko, ang daming mamamatay. Bata, matanda, lahat magkakaroon ng sakit. It's planted. All of these are planted from the beginning. You don't have to worry about, hindi sasisihin nyo na naman kung sino yung may kasalanan na naman kung sino nakaupo, kasalanan naman ng oposisyon. It's not that. Even them will be a victim. Trust me on that. Ano ba ang presidente ngayon? May sakit na, di ba? Lahat ng nasa Senado, may mga kanya-kanyang sakit yan. I know. Lahat ng mga nasa Senado, yung mga opisyal na lumabas sa TV, lahat yan may sakit. Coronavirus, influenza, evolve. Even the COVID-19 will be around again. The HIV. Naalala niyo yung vlogger na magpapakalat daw siya ng HIV? That's not true. That's not true. He misled you. He misled you. I know the truth. He knows na yung sakit na yun ay may nagpapakalat doon. Yun ang conspiracy theory niya. He knows. He's about to expose them. He delivered it so poorly, he got arrested. And he shouldn't be arrested kasi it's just a plain stupid video, but there's a reason that they won't let him go. He's about to expose he's about to expose. He was supposed to expose something very big, and now he can't do it kasi nakaka-detain or nasan siya ngayon. But I'm free. I'm right here. Lord, in the name of Lord, I revoke this vision ni Jesse Flores o kung sino man. I revoke this, please save us. Fool! I'm the one who's giving you the warning. I'm the one who will save you. I'm the one you should believe. Because I'm the one he asked me to do this. I didn't ask him for this. But, yes. I shouldn't do this. Di ko naman kailangan gawin to eh. Kaya ako kayong mamatay. Diba? Mas malaki ang kita ko nun. Kasi maraming may sakit ngayon, sabihin ko na lang na mag-avail ka ng silver medal, yung ganyan-ganyan. Pero yung sabihin, hindi ako makatulog no na hindi ko sasabihin na yung sakit ninyo planted yan. Yung sakit ninyo dahil yan sa kawalang-yahan ng kung sino man. I can't do that. I can't do that. I just can't. I can't sleep. Hindi ako makatulog. Hindi ako matatahimik at hindi ako makakatulog pag hindi ko yung sinabi. You have to understand. You have to believe me. Oh, the door's open. Feel free not to believe me. You wanna take the chances? Why should we believe you, Jesse Flores? You're a witchcraft. Exactly. I should do this, but I'm doing this. Yes, I love God. I love you, Father. And thank you for this challenge and opportunity. But I am not just doing it for Him. Surely I love God. He knows that. But I'm doing this for you. Jesus saved you all, diba? For a reason. Sacrifice Himself. Let Himself die in the cross. Sabi ni Jesus, Ali, Ali, Eli, Eli. Diba? Diyos ko, bakit mo ako pinabayaan? I'm not gonna do that. You know what I'm gonna say? God, I'm not gonna leave these people. And kung ano man ang pinaplano mo, I'll give myself to you. Because I love this world. I love to live. Kasi sinasabi sa iba sa inyo, mahirap mabuhay. Mahirap mabuhay pero masarap mabuhay. In this world. In this timeline, for how many years I have lived, how many millennia na ibang katawan ng gamit-gamit ko, the lives that I have lived. I'm just speaking nonsense. But this warning is for you. February, isinusumpa ko. Yun na yung makikinig kayo sa akin dahil makikita nyo na at mararamdaman nyo na marami na magkakasakit ngayon. Hindi sa kulam, hindi sa kung ano-ano, kundi cancer. Planted cancer. And I'm the one who can beat it. Ako nagbabala niyan eh. Nasa akin ang antidote. Hindi nyo yung pwedeng ipagamot kung kani-kanino. Nagiging totoo lang ako, hindi ako naninira. Nagiging totoo lang ako. Choice nyo na yun. This is the great revelation, guys. And I'm really, really concerned. At paulit-ulit ko sasabihin sa inyo that a lot of people are gonna die. They're gonna reset it. Ano yung ginawa ni Thanos? In one snap, half of the population ng Pilipinas natin. And I won't let it happen. But the only way I can save you is for you to believe me. My strength is you. I will save you. This is for you. Don't have to acknowledge you. Don't have to acknowledge me. Because he already did. He gave me the mission. Ngayon, to execute this, hindi ko pa alam kung paano. Pero sa tulong ninyo, marami akong matutulungan.